So we've just met the CM at his residence. I think so. We all parents have a great concern because of the future of our children for this coming academic year, which is 25-26. As schools are planned to open up in April, and many of the parents are not in favor of it. The main issue that is there is because they are finishing the exams on the 28th of March, and they just have 2 days break, and then the schools reopen on the 1st of April. I think so nowhere in the state or nowhere in the country where sooner after board exams, school reopens for them for the new academic year. They should at least have like a 15 days break or a month's break or the 2 months break what we've always had, like for our entire lives. Even we have grown up with those 2 months of summer breaks. And if we can see, there's a heat wave going on at present, and now there's a circular that's come out that in the month of April, May, it's going to be even hotter than it was last year. So keeping that in mind, we told the CM that we are not against NEP, we are in favor of it, but how it's implemented is a big question. And even in NEP, the points which all the parents have got as circulars, there's discrepancy which we've already explained to the media yesterday, to all of you and to all the parents. We've also told the CM to please go through it, and we've met the director and we've explained him the points. So what the assurity that CM has given us right now is that he will look into it and he will discuss it with the heads. So we are hoping for a very positive reply, and I'm very thankful actually to CM to give us an opportunity to at least meet up with him. Because this is a crisis situation. If we don't act on it right now, then our children are going to suffer. So parents and PTAs who are watching this video would request you all to please be active, to please do an awareness drive, because we've got to know that a lot of parents are not even aware that schools are starting in April. So our humble request is discuss with your PTAs. If you need any help from us, reach out to us and we will give you all the guidance what's possible. And we are hoping for a positive reply from the education department.
Okay.